Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the work light early in Subnautica 2. The work light is a handy portable utility that can illuminate dark areas such as caves, wrecks, and deep-sea-based construction sites. The good news is that you can unlock it fairly early in the game. For the first fragment, start from your life pod and head north. You'll eventually come across this tall orange rock formation. Look for a cave entrance at its base and swim through the tunnel system. Once you reach the lower section of the cave entrance, swim toward the center and then head northeast until you find a deeper part of the tunnels. Go deeper and look around and you'll come across a small base. From that location, turn right and look for a narrow passageway. Swim through the opening and you'll find a work light fragment partially buried in the sand beside some man-made debris. Pull out your scanner and scan it to unlock the first fragment. For the second and final fragment, return to your life pod and head southeast. Just to the left of the welcome center, you'll find this ravine. Swim down to the bottom and keep an eye on the rock wall to your left. You'll spot another narrow cave entrance. Swim inside it. Near these broken coral formations, you'll find the second work light fragment. Scan it to complete the blueprint. Once you've unlocked the schematic, return to your base and open your habitat builder. You'll find the work light under the utility section. It requires 3 titanium and 2 quartz to build. Just keep in mind that it also requires basic batteries to operate. Once powered, you can place it wherever you need extra visibility, whether that's inside a cave, around your base, or in any other dark area, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.